Good morning, everyone. I'm Autumn Schuler, and for my project, I am utilizing Screencast-O-Matic, Google Classroom, YouTube, TED Ed videos, and Google Forms. I created a sample class in my Google Classroom called Health and PE. In this classroom, I created a nutrition topic under my health folder. And in this folder, I created 3 little sample assignments utilizing TED Ed videos. For the first one, students will watch a video called What is a Calorie? After they watch the video, they're going to go back to the class and open up the Google form. And then here they're going to answer the question, explain what factors make our individual energy requirements so unique and why you think this is the case. They'll type in their short answer here and then hit submit. And then they'll do the same thing for the next 2 videos. The next one is, what are carbohydrates? Another TED Ed video. And then again, after they finish that video, they will go and answer this Google form, which is, describe how the digestive system responds differently to foods high in starchy carbohydrates with and without fiber as part of the same meal. And then they'll do the same thing with this video called What is Obesity? What I like about these videos is that they are only 4 or 5 minutes long, which is under the 6-minute recommended minimum. They are easy to watch and easy to use, and then the Google form is easy for them to answer on their computer or on their phone. I would use this activity as an exit ticket or as a homework assignment or even an opt-out activity if someone is injured or opted out of any part of the health curriculum. For this project, I used Screencast-O-Matic and then uploaded the video to YouTube and then posted the link inside of our class Google Classroom.